Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Windows Update error 0x80248014, then let's look for the solutions. So the first solution would be to troubleshoot the Windows Update. And we do that by right clicking on the start button, going to settings, and we'll go to system, look down below, troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and we will click on the run button corresponding to the Windows Update tab, and that should fix the problem. If that doesn't do it as well, then we'll look for doing a disk cleanup where we and we will clean up the system files. This will clean up the cat root 2 and the update folder. So update, you can see here, update cleanup, delete files, and that should fix the error. If that doesn't do it, then we will check the status of the services and we will start or restart them as convenient. So we will look for services, click on services, and we will look for Windows Update service. So Windows Update service, we have to go down, and here it is, Windows Update. So we right click on it and we click start, and that should do it. Now we'll go to background transfer intelligence service. So here it is, background intelligent transfer service. Right click and click start. All right, the last one is the cryptographic service. So cryptographic services, we will right click and we will click restart. So it either restart or start, folks. Okay, if nothing else works, which is very rare, then we need to download the updates manually. We'll do that by opening the browser and looking for Windows Update catalog, and we'll click on this. Now we'll click on this link and we will enter here the present month / the present year and press enter. All right, so now we got this frame, and in this we look for cumulative update for Windows. So here I have got the cumulative update for the month and the year I entered, and my system is an x64 based system, a cumulative update. So I'll look for that. You have to look for that, and when you find that, you just click on download and you click the MSU link and you download and install the update. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.